Hello everyone, today I am making an Italian dish called prawns risotto. Prawns risotto is a very delicate and flavorful dish made from rice and prawns. You can even use calamari instead. So let's go and start making our prawns risotto. Follow me. Prawns risotto, I have kept all the ingredients ready. So the main ingredient is of course the prawns. So I have neatly cut and deveined all the prawns over here, and so the first thing which we'll do is fry the prawns in olive oil. So we have started our stuff, and we will be adding around 1 teaspoon of olive oil on the pan, and we'll add all the prawns for frying. Let it fry completely on all the sides. So as it is frying, I'll just add some salt to it. So along with salt, I'll even crack some pepper on it to get some flavor on the prawns, and I'll let it fry really well. Prawns risotto is an exotic dish, but remember, we can prepare it in a jiffy in our own kitchen also. Prawns risotto is a very quick dish, and it is a very comforting kind of a dish. So Italians love this a lot. You can even make squid or calamari risotto in the same way, and it tastes equally awesome. So you can try that too with the same recipe. So it's been around 7 minutes since my prawns have been frying, and now I'll remove them off to this plate, and I'll set it aside till my risotto rice is ready, and I'll toss it all into the rice later on. So we have to reserve it for later. So take a look now, my pan is on the stove once again, and I'll add around 2 tablespoons of butter to my pan. If you're watching this channel and have not subscribed to me, please subscribe immediately. To this I'll add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now goes in my onions. This is around 1 roughly chopped onion. To this I'll add around 15 garlics. I've chopped this too into very small pieces. Let this fry really well. Now to this I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll add 1 teaspoon of oregano. I'll just crack up some peppercorns, black pepper, and I'll give this a very good mix. At this stage, I'll add some milk into this. So half a glass of milk I've added, or roughly 1 cup, and I'll let it heat for some time. At this stage, I'll just grate some cheese over this. So at least we have to put around 1 cup of cheese. This is Parmigiano. You can add any cheese of your choice, whichever you have at home, but Parmigiano tastes really good with risotto. Even you can add mozzarella or any other cheese which you got at home. So after the cheese goes in, I'll add around 1 ladle of white wine into this. So this is optional. If you have, you can add it. It gives a very good flavor. If you do not have, it's totally fine. To this I'll add my risotto rice. Now to this I'll add water, as much as the rice gets immersed in, not too much, and I'll let the rice cook. So as the rice is cooking, I'll just add 1 bowl of green peas into this. So my green peas goes into this. These are fresh green peas. So this gives really good flavor to the risotto. And let the rice cook till it gets really mushy. So we'll wait for our rice to cook. And we'll return back in another 6 to 7 minutes. So that much time the rice takes to cook. So look, our rice has turned really soft and mushy, and this is how we need. We don't want our rice to be grainy in a risotto. It should be really mushy and soft and mingle together all the rice and all this white sauce which we have made with the cheese and the milk should soak up the rice and make it really mushy. Now once your rice is ready, what you should do is add all the fried prawns into it and give it a good toss. Believe me, this tastes really good, and with all the regular ingredients that you have at home, you can all mix it together and make such an exotic dish. So that is why you should always try to make something different so that your life remains exciting on an everyday basis, and you should not wait to go to a restaurant to eat anything. You can make all of this every day whenever you feel like, if you learn how to make it. So just make it at least once and see whether it's possible for you to make it and whether it turns out to be good. So yes, you should do it. Why not? So I'm cracking up some pepper again on my... So next time you call over guests home for dinner, make it sure that prawns risotto is there in your menu. And I'll let it cook just for another minute so that the flavors of the prawns get induced with the risotto rice. So take a look, our risotto is completely ready, and we will just put some herbs over it just for some freshness, and we'll plate it up. Take a look, our risotto is ready with all the pink prawns lying over it, and it's really looking amazing, and it's equally delicious to taste. So you saw that how easy and how quick it was to make it. So make this at home and you should have a bite.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.